Hello everyone and welcome. Today we're doing a review on FATHOM AI Note Taker. FATHOM AI Note Taker. Now it says here that you can increase productivity. You can increase productivity with the #1 rated AI note taker. Now, what does FATHOM do? FATHOM records, transcribes, highlights, and summarizes your meeting so you can focus on the conversation. So you can get started, and it is free forever. Yes, it is really free. So, and the AI is never trained on your data, so you have nothing to worry about. Now with FATHOM AI, you don't have to ever take notes again, because FATHOM transcribes and summarizes your meeting so you can focus on the conversation. You can see the example here. Then next, unlike others, FATHOM AI summaries are ready in less than 30 seconds of the meeting ending. Wow. So that's one of the features. The next feature we have is no more post-meeting data entry, because FATHOM automatically syncs meeting summaries and tags to your CRM. So FATHOM users save 20 minutes per meeting, which is about 1.5 weeks meeting data entry due to syncing with your CRM. Next feature we have is you can share clips, not text. With FATHOM, you can share your clips from specific parts of your meeting. So you can copy it to your clipboard and share it. Notes never actually tell the whole story, so you can tell it with clips instead. Next feature we have is the feature for Ask FATHOM. Now you can enter AI assistant for instant answers and insights. It is ChatGPT but for your calls. This is an example. Then this means you can effortlessly find what you need and generate follow-ups. Just ask and let FATHOM AI do the rest. For example, here someone said create a follow-up, because this is the FATHOM where you can ask hi, how can I help you today? You put in your question. We discussed how to use FATHOM the last meeting, and it gives you your answer. The rest you can see it's given the answer with more follow-up. And then you can also ask it to create a follow-up email for your last meeting. There's so many things you can ask it to do, and it will do it for you. The next feature we're going to talk about is that it works with your tools. What do we mean by this? You can do that. So the next thing is, FATHOM supports a lot of things. No matter the video conferencing platform, language, or compliance requirements you have, FATHOM has got you. FATHOM supports about 28 languages like Bulgarian, Catalan. Look at the list of languages FATHOM supports. So you're good to go. And these are the other platforms that FATHOM supports. You can see them over here. So many of them. So next we have lots and so much more, where you can have the team members and you guys can have your call recordings and everything. Moving on, a lot of people have used it and they have great things to say about it. So these are what customers are saying. They've ranked it as #1 and the Starbucks score of 7/7, and it was given the award as the Product Hunt AI Product of the Year. It got second position. So you see, when it comes to sales, customer success, founders, and everything you need to know, just click here or any of them and you get all the information. You record and transcribe meetings, simplifying note-taking and follow-ups. They value the quick access to organize summaries and action items, which integrate seamlessly with CRMs, enhancing team efficiency and communication. So people have so many great things to say about Phantom. So what are you waiting for? Never take notes again. Get started, and it's free forever. So some people have asked, is Phantom secure? Yes, Phantom is hosted and developed following security best practices including end-to-end encryption, robust monitoring, and regular third-party penetration testing. Phantom has completed the SOC 2 Type 2 audit as well as extensive security review by Zoom as part of being a Zoom Apps launch partner. If you need more details, you can click on this. Just have a referral program, so if you're interested, you can click on that. Now let's get it takes about 2 to 3 minutes to sign up. Now you can sign in with Google or sign in with Microsoft. Let us try Google. So here it is with Google. Let's see what we can do. Let's see if we're able to sign up. So let's use our Google account. Now here we are. So continue. We're trying to sign in. The next thing, they won't also allow Phantom to access some stuff. So let's just say this is okay for now. So click on continue. So after clicking on continue, let's see what's going to happen. Now connect your calendar. Next, Phantom needs to know of your upcoming video meeting, so you need to connect your calendar. Phantom has only read access to your calendar. You cannot modify or add events. So I don't have a calendar to connect for now. So but you can do that, and then from there do other things. Now let's see if there's a way to skip this part. There is no way. Let's just say continue. Let's just keep doing continue until you find it. So here we are. Set up your preference. If you're setting up your preference, you click on continue. So it tells about yourself. It tells the department and your role, and you click on continue. So let us say the department is sales. Let us say the role is manager, and just say we use CRM. So click on continue. Okay, let's say I don't use. Click on continue. And then how are you planning to use it? Is it by yourself or with your team? Let's say I want to use it by myself. Then click on continue again. The last step is to install the desktop app. So once you install Phantom, you'll be able to get amazing notes on your next meeting. It's as simple as that. Just click on download Phantom for Windows. Hope you found this video helpful. Do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more.